What do you have to do to pull the valve? Oh, I think you have to pull this out. If that oil leaks out, not going to cause nothing. There we go. I think you have to pull this. No, just open the valve. There she goes. Open the valve a little bit more. There we go. Isn't that nasty? Oh, we're feeling it. Oh, no. Open up the cock a little more. Yeah, it's draining. I gotta open this up more. Uh-oh. I got a battery warning here, so might have to be quick. That's okay, if my battery goes dead, I'll use my cell phone. I'll set the camera on top of here. Okay. That filthy oil. You can see closely that oil is leaking. Or should I say draining. I think it needs an oil and filter change. This oil pan is sure handy. Like Red Green says, women don't find you handsome. Yeah. Like Red Green says, women don't find you handsome, they'll at least find you handy. See if I can turn it a little more. Yes, while that's draining, I guess I could try and remove the filter. Just trying to think how I can put this. Tires are good, they've got cracks in them, but they're holding there good. Roger's a... Never mind. Overhead valve, V-valve. I need to take a closer look, seeing if it stopped. This is dripping. I'll let it drip. Yeah, not run this engine without oil, that's for sure. That's a no-no. Go away. How can I get the oil filter somehow on the tire? Let's see. Where's those blocks? Yeah, that'll work. Okay. I take the blocks. This out. Yeah, I know the battery's getting dead. That's why I want to get this done quick. Let's see. Let me see. Okay. Now I'll get the wrench and the filter out. So I want to get my shop towels ready. Now, I'm going to need the pliers. I can't get the... Okay. There we go. Get that in there. This guy's a sick motherfucker. Already is. Yeah, a little oil leak, not gonna hurt nothing. There we go. Ow! It's leaking. I got it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean all this up so there's no grime and stuff. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes a pair of plumber's pliers works best. Okay. Now I'll change the oil filter. Let's see. Where's the shop towels going? Okay. I want to get all this cleaned up. There we go. Turn that filter out. Oh yeah, it's going in the drain. And the oil filter mount. I can't reach there. Anything left in it? I don't know. That's some oil. Oh fuck, you got oil on the grass. Shit. That's okay, I'll clean that up. No big deal. I ain't starting this engine without oil, that's for damn sure. Now what I have to do, let's take the oil filter, wrap it up. Okay. How are we doing for time? Battery's almost dead. Okay. I'm going to take another towel, I'm going to do one more clean. Okay. Okay. Look at that. All I have to do is hey, don't slam it, fram it. So I'm going to take a little oil on my finger and I'm going to coat the O-ring. See, it's nicely coated. Okay. Yeah, I made a mess. That's okay. So make sure it goes on. That's why it's called automotive style spin-on oil filter. Going in. Okay. There. Done. There we go. Now for the fun part. Oil check. I don't know how I'm going to film it. I'm going to film the oil check. Well, just leave it the way it is, where it is. Okay. Oh yeah, that oil is dirty. Okay. Yeah, it's a messy job, but someone's got to do it. Next time I'll bring a funnel. Let's see here. That's what I've got to bring. There's the oil in the engine. That's what I drink. Let's see what I can do. Sometimes you have to lift it up. Now go like this. Turn it this way. Yeah, that's good. Okay. The camera. Now catch me checking the oil. As you know. Barely even showing anything. Keep going. Okay. It takes a lot of oil to fill this sucker up. Some fresh, clean oil. Sorry, my camera's in the way. That's okay. Just a minute. A little leak. Oh. It's gonna be one heck of a mess to clean up. Okay. What I'll do is I'll restart the engine. Okay. Brakes on? Yep. Here we go. Oop. Almost forgot I have to put the dipstick back in. Sorry for that. Okay. Let's try that again. Good. Now we're going to check the oil and see where it is. Oh, she burns nice and clean. Make sure you don't reset it, so you go. It needs a bit of oil. Okay. I bet you that mower is going to feel a lot. Oh, fuck. I have to clean this again. Otherwise you get junk in there. See? All I have to do now is clean up. Maybe wash. Maybe. Okay. It's overfilled? I don't know. I hope not. No, right where it should be. Good. Good job. Well, that concludes the oil and filter change of the Metro 26. Now I'll just do a bit of clean up in here. Clean all this oil up. Yeah. Clean it all up. Clean all the grease. Okay. And that concludes. Just a minute, I need to clean my hands. And that concludes. Sorry, I'm being a little funny. The X-Mark Laser ZHP, powered by a 21-horse Kawasaki FH61V air-cooled overhead valve V-twin engine with 2-barrel, I think it's a Mikuni carb, and I hope you enjoy the video. So have a nice day.